In 2017, I experienced sudden hearing loss. I woke up one day with my face numb. I was experiencing vertigo attacks, falling down in my own house. I couldn't walk straight. Someone suggested to see care in UHealth because they have experts and otoneurologists. And I saw Dr. Shraggy, and I started a treatment with a team of care to treat my Ménière's disease, which is what I was diagnosed. At the beginning of my hearing loss journey, I couldn't paint, I couldn't stand still. It was really giving me depression not to be able to do the thing that gives me joy, which is painting. Now, in a full circle moment, I was commissioned to create a piece for SoLé Mia, and I cried that day of joy because it was like, wow, after all these years, I get to not just create another piece, but a special piece for the place that have seen me, and now it's sitting here in the audiology floor in the UHealth SoLé Mia, so it's very special for me. I love my care team. I feel like they're friends already, and I love coming to a place where they understand me and they know my story. This is like my home for care.